Hi everyone, this is Randy with Io Audio Technologies, and I'm here to show you how to assemble our Powerlatch series of AC power connectors. So first, let's check out what tools we're going to need for this project. First, you're going to need a screwdriver, you're going to need a wrench, you're going to need a AC power cable with 3 conductors. This is a 14 gauge, but you can use up to 12 gauge with these connectors. Then you're going to need an Io Audio Technologies Powerlatch connector, which we have in both blue and gray varieties. For this project, we're only going to use the blue variety because we're making a Powerlatch to Edison cable, so we do not need the gray, but they're both assembled in the exact same way, and they both have the same parts in the bag. So let's dive in. When you open the packaging, you'll notice that it already comes pre-assembled, and there's a rubber piece here. And the rubber piece is used in case the jacket that you're using on the power cable is extra thick, but this is a regular size jacket, so we're not going to use that. We're going to put it aside for now. So first thing you want to do is unscrew the boot of your connector. Put that aside. Next, we're going to gently squeeze on the nose so that we can push this chuck out of the housing. Next, we're going to continue to push upward so that the contact housing slides out. And then this is the housing. And these are all the 4 pieces you're going to need to assemble the Powerlatch connector. So first thing is first, you're going to want to get the boot, and you're going to want to slide it over your cable. You're going to want to get the chuck and also slide it over your cable before you start assembling the connector. Next, you're going to want to make sure that your conductors are nice and twisted so that you have no stray copper. Next, you're going to want to get the contact housing and grab that screwdriver, and you're going to start unscrewing these basically until you can fit your screwdriver in there. That way you know that the cable fits. And you're also going to notice that there's some letters here. There's an N here for neutral. There's a ground symbol here for the ground, and there's an L for live here. So knowing what your color codes are, you're going to align the proper color to the proper live, neutral, or ground. For me, I'm going to put the black cable in the live, the white cable in the neutral, and the green cable in the ground, and push it in. And next, we're going to take our screwdriver and start screwing these in so you compress that cable in there. Make sure it doesn't pop out. And once you've done this, the next thing to do is grab your housing, and there is one notch in the housing right there, which you will have to align with a notch on here. If you do not align the notches, it won't go in all the way, and you'll have to push it through. If it's not going in, it's not sliding in easily, realign it, because it should only go in one way and it should be easy. And next, you're going to take your chuck, and it also has a notch here, which is supposed to align with the same notch in the housing. And again, it only goes in one way, so don't push it if it doesn't go in. Next, you're going to grab your boot and screw it on. And this is the part where I like to use the wrench. So If you zoom in here, you can't see the O-ring right here. So that's about as tight as you want it. So now your power latch connector and power latch cables are ready to power up all of your awesome gear. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.